So today I'm going to talk about how to heal acne scabs and make them go away faster. If you've ever woken up in the morning with lots of acne scabs on your face, you know that they're so embarrassing, and they're actually worse than the pimples looked before you picked them in most cases. So we've all done that. We've had pimples, we've looked in the magnifying glass and decided that maybe we would just poke a little bit. Next thing you know, we have a big scab, and the scab can be there for weeks. You need to think about acne scabs as wounds. I mean, that's basically what they are. But they were created most likely with your fingernails, and fingernails are very, very dirty. So they're at a high risk of infection, and that's one of the reasons why it takes so long for acne scabs to heal, is because the acne causing bacteria on the skin, Cutibacterium acnes, can slow healing as well. So you need to keep these acne scab wounds very clean and put a wound healing ointment on top of them. I've written an acne blog all about this and how to heal acne scars, and I talk about what cleansers are good to use and what ointments are good to use. But I wanted to take a minute to tell you about something very interesting and cool that I found that makes acne scabs go away faster. And it's actually a tattoo treatment lotion. It's been created for people who have a new tattoo, and it helps get rid of all the bacteria and makes the skin heal faster. And I found it works so well for acne scabs. So the first step is to clean your skin with an antimicrobial cleanser and pat dry very gently. You do not want to pull that top dead skin layer off. That scab is what's going to make it heal faster. So never, never, never pick the scab off. Even though it's hard to put makeup on top of the scab, just don't be tempted, because underneath that scab, that's where all the healing is happening. And if you pull the scab off, you're going to make it take at least twice as long to heal. So very, very gently clean that area. Then you'll apply a wound healing ointment to the surface of the scab. I love using the Protea Tattoo Lotion because it balances the skin microbiome, and it has a lot of niacinamide and other healing ingredients in there that can make that acne scab heal faster. There are also many other healing ointments that you can put on it that will make it heal faster. One of them you've heard of is Aquaphor, but Aquaphor, it just covers and protects the area. It doesn't really have the antimicrobial benefits and the anti-inflammatory benefits of some of the other wound healing ointments that were designed especially for that purpose. Another important thing to do while your acne scabs are healing is to cover the area with sunscreen, because you do not want that area to pigment. So the reason people get dark spots after acne is all that inflammation. It triggers melanin production, and when you go into the sun, you can end up with a dark spot. So the 3 steps to treating acne scabs are cleansing, using a healing ointment, wearing sun protection when you're outside. There are several good mineral-based sunscreens that you can use. You want to avoid chemical ones. I love the one by Pavese. There are many good Elta MD sunscreens, and also Rationale has a good sunscreen. But make sure you always wear sunscreen over the area before you go in the sun. As far as wound healing ointments, I've put together a collection of wound healing ointments that you can use to put on the acne scab to help it heal faster. Just make sure that you wash your face twice a day, keep the area clean, keep it covered with these wound healing ointments, and don't pick. And try to remember the next time you're tempted to pick your pimples, try to remember how hard it was to get rid of the acne scab. You actually will make yourself look worse if you pick the pimples, and you'll slow your healing time. So don't pick. And if you have any more questions about how to heal acne scabs, visit my blog or visit our collection of wound healing ointments to help acne scabs heal faster.